this Decool really fun Lego. So we're gonna open it, make it, and have fun. Yes. So me and Siobhan's actually in here. Okay, so we're gonna open this by the way. Excited. So fun, look at it. Okay, let's see the bag. Oh wow, interesting. Okay, I found that crazy car manual. Okay, look at this. Woo! Okay, skippy time. It's so fun to remove it and make it. Okay, so the cool part in this says that you can make about how it says you can make a lightning clean. It doesn't mean like a clean, it doesn't glue like everything. And you can also make this one-way parking. And there's so many parts, 82 pieces. Let's cut this small baggie up. I like that building. Yeah, now we're emptying all the pieces on the ground so it's easy to build. Guys, so we're done making it. Look, this is the part. It is absolutely like the one in the box. I'm going to spin it for you and show it to you. This is one of those bendable pieces. The garage to pop them out. It has every single detail, and I didn't have to stick any stickers, and this really has rolling wheels. Okay, look, these are really rolling wheels. Look, it really rolls. Let's set that one and just slide it into the holes. And look, there's the garage set up. Okay, like the parking area that the garages have, like patio for the car. Let's see if this car fits. First, let's give it some brand new wheels so it's super fast for the day. Let's get another one. There are some black tires. And I love the gray car. Let's say Rusted Star because Rusted Star is gray. Now let's see how good it fits. Oh wow. Okay, well, that's basically how it fits. And take a full look at this. The amazing detail. It's fast. It's just so cool. So I love it. And yeah. Whoa, okay. I love this. And I love this. And this. And this. And this like this. Well, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel or you're new, please smash that subscribe button. Yeah. Give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah! Ah! Bye! Happy